Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited about this video because I took it a while back and up to today I haven't gotten the chance to show you this project. Which project am I talking about? I'm talking about the KENOL-MARUA dual carriage. Yes, you heard me right. So we're going to begin this trip all the way from Kenol, which is a small town just right after Thika, and we're going to travel all the way to Marua Junction, where you're going to see the whole stretch of how the development is going on, so that you can see the construction updates and have a look at how beautiful the landscape is while you're at it. So thank you guys for 700 subscribers. I just saw that we just reached 700 subs. We are on the road to 1000 subs, so let's keep at it. If you're watching this and you're not subscribed, kindly subscribe, and it helps a lot for you to hit that like button. So cheers guys, let's begin. KENOL-MARUA dual carriageway project is in Kenya, is said to be partially open before the end of the year. Transport Cabinet Secretary James Macharia revealed and said the highway will be opened in December to give reprieve to motorists and pedestrians. The project is the country's second most expensive road after the Thika superhighway. It's coincidental actually, they actually merged around Thika. So either way, I digress, let's continue. So it is set to connect to the Northern Corridor from Nairobi to the Lapset Corridor in Isiolo, an African Development Bank finance project that is expected to link Kenya to Ethiopia. The 84-kilometer road project starts from Kenol Township in Murang'a, Makutano, and Sagana in Kirinyaga County, proceed to Kambiti in Machakos, and end at Marua in Nyeri County. Phase 1 of the project will see 36 kilometers of road constructed from Sagana to Marua, while the second phase will stretch from 48 kilometers from Kenol to Sagana. The project is also scheduled to be fully completed a year earlier because, you know guys, this project was meant to be completed in 2023. However, Kenha decided, well, we need to do this in a timely order, so they're planning to finish this in June 2022 for a presidential launch before His Excellency President Uhuru Kenyatta retires. So the expansion of the Kenol-Sagana-Marua Highway, coded A2, upon completion is expected to majorly impact the regions it cuts through, which are Murang'a, Kirinyaga, Nyeri, Machakos, and Embu counties. Traveling time between Nyeri and Nairobi will be cut down by at least an hour. So I envy you guys. Traveling this road is going to be fast. If your upcountry is Nyeri or Machakos or Murang'a County, you guys will be flying through there pretty fast. Either way, let's continue. So traveling between Nyeri and Nairobi will be cut down by at least an hour. Gatakaini to Njambini Road will make a direct link between Murang'a and Nyandarua counties, while Naivasha to Njambini Road will improve the link between Nakuru and Nyandarua, further enhancing trade between the two counties. The highway will open up the Northern Corridor, creating employment opportunities in the agriculture, tourism, small and medium-sized enterprises sectors. So that's from me guys, that's all I have to say in this video. I really just wanted you guys to see the whole stretch for yourselves. I want you to enjoy the landscapes, just see how beautiful Kenya is. Kenya is really growing at a very fast pace and it's growing positively. So guys, if you're watching this and you're enjoying this, please give it a like button, hit that like button, give us a thumbs up, tell us how you feel about this project in the comments, and I'm always here to reply to your messages. Let's communicate down there in the comments, let's have a chat. So yeah guys, I'll see you in the next one. Once again, this is Muuo and this is African Focus. Cheers guys, see you in the next one.